Hey, so I wanted to take apart my pictek PS4 controller. This guy, it's really cool. It's just the bottom button here is a bit sticky. I must have spilled something on it. So I'm disassembling it, and I just wanted to note this because I didn't see any assistance with this on YouTube. So it's pretty simple. You've got six screws on the bottom. Boom, you pop it off. You do need a little lever to run across on the inside here to force it apart, but nothing snaps. So that's pretty safe. So once inside here, you start pulling on this and nothing happens. So then I started to actually take it apart a bit more, took the battery off. There's a little adhesive on the bottom, and then you take this out from here. And then I disconnected this ribbon cable, and then I noticed these four little black screws. So that's my next step here, and then I'm going to see what else is there. But hopefully this is the last step. Yeah, that was the ticket. I just disconnected these two, the acceleration thingies for the shock vibration. And yeah, so now I'm just going to investigate why this is sticky, and we're all set to go. I'll keep recording to put it back together here in a few minutes. Okay, yeah, so in basically at the bottom where you'd expect between the plastic piece and where it rests, there was some sticky stuff that remained. I took a wet Q-tip, cleaned it out, and we'll get this put back together. It feels pretty nice. I could tell with it loose that it was still sticking. That's how I knew to take care of the rest of the sticky stuff. So just before I finish putting this back together, underneath here there's two pieces. One for the touchpad and another basically for the light bar transmission. There's a spring that connects the touchpad to the other piece, or two springs actually. One of them, like the two pieces got separated and one of the springs came out, so I had to sort of carefully put it back in. But it wasn't too terrible. Then as I pressed this into place, those two pieces stayed in place, and then I just negotiated them back down. The thumbsticks went into place just fine. They're connected to this, and if you notice, the thumbsticks themselves fit through the holes in the faceplate. So now I'm just gonna, I put two screws in for this recording, and I'll connect these back, connect this, and then put the battery back, and then put the back plate on, and we'll see if it works. Okay, here it is all back together. Basically, I just needed to carefully negotiate it in place. Basically just inserting it sort of from the back and just shifting forward, sort of with the angle of these guys, and just making sure that this snapped into place. So we're almost done. I already can see that it's working with the PS4. As soon as I connected the battery, it powered up and connected. Yep, and that's it. Good as new. Thanks for checking this out.